Create your own motivation routine that actually works. That dream you keep Instagram stalking, it's been couch surfing in your head long enough. You already know the steps, you just haven't taken them. Here's the thing, waiting to feel ready is like waiting for a cat to bark. Ain't gonna happen. Stick with me and you'll walk away with a 15-minute autopilot routine that works even when your mojo's on airplane mode. Fun fact, 92% of New Year resolutions die quiet deaths before February. Not because the goals were insane, because people waited for a firework that never popped. Let's swap fireworks for a pilot light. Section 1. Problem. We treat motivation like the weather. If it's sunny, we sprint. If it drizzles, we binge Netflix and self-loathing. One 5 a.m. miracle morning, then 3 days under the covers scrolling productivity hacks. Each false start knocks another chunk off your self-trust until you're calling yourself lazy. Worst label ever, and it sticks like glitter. Truth is, motivation isn't lightning. It's Lego. Stack tiny bricks you actually like, and you'll build the castle without noticing. Section 2. The Framework Overview. Meet the MVR, Minimum Viable Routine. 3 layers, 5 minutes each, 15 minutes total. You can scale up, but you never drop below the floor. It hijacks your dopamine rhythm, so you move first, feel pumped second. Section 3. Step 1. The trigger. Pick a daily cue you can't dodge. Coffee brew, toothbrush, laptop lid. That's your habit's front door. Scientists call it implementation intention. I call it when then. When I pour my coffee, then I open my notebook and scribble the tiniest next step. 1 line, no memoir. In a week, your brain starts salivating for the routine right after the trigger. Momentum on tap. Section 4. Step 2. The 2-minute start. Attach a micro action you can finish before the kettle boils. Lace shoes, open Duolingo, type the report headline. Goal isn't greatness, it's reps. Stanford nerds call it activation energy. Once you're in motion, the brain hates quitting more than it hates continuing. After 2 minutes, you're free to bail. 90% of the time you won't, but the exit sign kills procrastination cold. Section 5. Step 3. The instant reward. Pay yourself within 10 seconds. Sip the fancy latte. Slap a sticker on the wall. Blast a victory song. That quick hit nails the habit loop into your autopilot brain. Skip it, and the loop stays open like a browser tab you'll never close. Make it cheesy. Make it fast. Make it non-negotiable. One viewer keeps a mini confetti cannon. 312-day meditation streak. Confetti, 1. Excuses, 0. If you're jotting this down, hit like so the algorithm nudges the next stuck soul. Appreciate you. Section 6. Flex Day Protocol. Life will throw tantrums. Wi-Fi dies, kids erupt, deadlines stampede. Downshift to flex mode. 1 minute trigger, 1 minute action, 1 minute reward. Streak stays alive, brain gets the memo. Consistency beats intensity. Athletes call it active recovery. Only rule, never miss twice. 1 flex day is a win. 2 zeros reset the whole board. Section 7. Identity reframe. Every MVR is a vote for the person you want to become. Runner, writer, polyglot, whatever. Track the votes, not the finish line. I draw a tiny checkmark column in my journal. Seeing a vertical row of them feels better than any trophy. Quietly rewrites your story from I wish to I'm the type who. Section 8. Social and environment hacks. Text one friend your trigger and reward. Send them the daily selfie or check mark. Social eyes are rocket fuel. Shape your digs too. Guitar on a stand by the coffee maker. Cookies on the top shelf. Social apps off the home screen. Make the good choice the easy choice. Make the bad choice require effort. Your brain loves convenience more than it loves dopamine. Section 9. Monthly review. Once a month, spend 10 minutes asking, what felt effortless? What felt like chewing gravel? What can I delete? Trim the routine like a bonsai. My first MVR had 7 steps. Now it's 3. Simplicity survives. A routine you'll still smirk at in 10 years beats one you'll ditch in 10 days. Motivation isn't a mood, it's a loop. Trigger, 2-minute start, instant reward. Build it tiny. Guard the streak with flex days. Vote for your future identity daily. Your goals don't need bigger explosions. They need smaller, boring explosions every single day. Set your trigger tonight. Pick your 2-minute action. Choose your confetti moment. Wake up tomorrow and let the system work while motivation's still snoozing. See you in the next one. Keep stacking those votes.